Hey, good morning, everybody. It's the morning of the Gambler event. I'm here outside of Prineville, Oregon. Anyway, we're getting ready. Will this be a day of glorious victory or humiliating defeat? Stay tuned to find out.
Okay, you can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django. You can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show.
Jason Cole about to embark on an important adventure.
We be faster than
Exactly.
Django.
We'll see what happens.
Finally got an axle that fits? Huh? Finally get an axle that fits?
Yes, I did.
Oh,
Yeah.
I saw you YouTube.
It came in yesterday morning.
Oh, nice.
Just in time.
Can't stop us.
Oh crap! So one lap down, that was a lot of fun. I mean, Camo Joe's doing great. I think the torque converter mostly is a good thing. Sometimes when you're going like up a really steep hill, sometimes it doesn't really want to quite go up until like it spins up and then all of a sudden, whoosh, you're going. So that's a little bit much, but overall, it's awesome. I bottomed out the new front forks a couple times where it's like, doosh. So they got rigid again, but it's a lot of fun. Camo Joe's doing great. One lap down, I don't even know how many to go, a whole bunch.
How is it, Ben? You're faster than I am. Good? Awesome.
Plus the chain.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. What's that? Pop the chain.
Pop the chain to get it back on?
No, it just fell off.
Oh, okay. Cool. So we Streaka finished his lap. Everything went well except the chain popped off. So we tightened the chain. We had like a burning smell from our belt, but that's probably because we haven't kind of set the middle ground for rear sprocket to kind of have medium torque, medium top speed. Probably should have had it all torque. Good for someone for next year.
Right hole.
Yeah, that's the right hole. And then you want to make sure your spring is snapped in to these little guides in here.
You know what you're doing for that. Everybody's asking me for parts and advice.
Jason Cole, would you please explain things to me right now? Like, not right now. Well, it's all fun and games until you need to be life flighted out of here. Well, let's not dwell on that too long. I don't want that to happen to me. Stay safe out there, people. You know, this is less of a race and more of a boxing match. Well, I've been waiting a little while for my turn. Ben left a while ago, and apparently the chain came off on him, and I think the sprocket, he says the sprocket or something. It's hard to talk with his phone is dying and everything, but anyway, long story short, I think the bike is dead. We're calling the rescue wagon to come get him, and he's about halfway through the whole thing, so he's a pretty far away. He can't really walk it back right now, so. Yeah.
Ben, tell us a story.
So if you're wondering how we finished, it was in the back of this trailer that looks like a boat.
No!
I got drug in.
What happened? What happened with the bike?
I broke it.
No, you didn't. What happened?
I bent,
It's all right.
I bent the
A
chain.
stick broke it.
The stick went into the chain and locked up the back wheel, which bent the chain and kind of twisted the engine a little bit. Yeah. So we replaced the chain, and that took a while because we had to build a new chain. And then after that, we decided that we weren't going to realign everything, and that was
Get
going
it
to
back
take too
running
much,
in time.
too much time, and not enough like proper working environments to do it in a way that would be
Well, we got a whole lot farther this year. It was still a good time. Thank you, teammate Jeff and Ben. I guess Camo Joe didn't finish again, but it got a lot farther. And I guess since it didn't finish again, there's unfinished business. So when is the Gambler Minibike 2020 happening? Thanks for watching, everybody. Toodles!
He finished in third place in 7 hours, 28 minutes. Oh.
What award do we get for dying on lap 13?
AARP 5th place, 5 hours, 55 minutes. Same class. 1, 2,
Awards.
3.
Stupid
We get
awards!
rather be clear.
This is crazy. It's a lot of fun. Hey, I bought a new sweatshirt. Well, anyway, I just want to wrap this video up really quick. In the end, this is a great time, a great place to be. I've never been to this off-road like sporting park before. It was awesome, and you know, getting to hang out with good friends I don't see as often anymore was great. One other thing I want to say is, if you watched a couple videos back, I explained that exactly, almost like, what day is it? In about 4 days will be exactly a year since I got laid off and then had to move and switch jobs and switch cities and all sorts of other stuff that happened behind the scenes that I don't want to get into, but I just being here in this environment and being around friends and everything, I'm just really grateful for everything that's happened. You know, be thankful, everybody. Be thankful for the good things in life. The bad stuff, it happens to everybody, and good stuff happens too. That's it.